Isolated crown baldness today. We're going to fill that area with 800 grafts FUE. We do layer shaving. The pattern of this crown area is very important to follow the natural wool pattern, which the hair direction changes from area to the other, especially at the middle. So this middle of the wool is considered similar to like a hairline for us because that's the area that people can see the scalp. So we want to have maximum density there. Not only we follow the direction a flat pattern of the hair orientation here, we want to make sure that we put the grafts with more number of hair to have more density because that's the area that's the most visible. That's why we want to augment it with full density. And then that area automatically helps the other areas too because it will become on the other areas. So if my density is a little less here and more here, that looks all the same, like perfect at the end.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Same.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 4, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38.
6, it looks pretty good. So we went pretty heavy on the middle of the world where the hair starts parting, and then as you get to the periphery, it's going to be a little bit less. So we have to move a little bit of some of those marginal hairs, and we're going to be done shortly. Okay. Did you have a good day?
Had a great day, no pain, feel great.
Okay, great. Everything looks good here.